Hello, are you unintentionally sabotaging your child's future? Don't worry, you are not alone. Even loving parents unintentionally, through their actions, can damage their child's cognitive and emotional development. So in this video, I'm going to highlight 5 common mistakes that we as parents, even you, who that is a very good parent, you make these mistakes without knowing that they actually have some serious effects on your child. The first mistake is overprotection. We shield them from challenges. We overprotect them. He's trying to climb that tree. You are there and your fears makes you stop your child. However, children being able to move forward, being able to take the next step is where they develop mastery. But mostly because of our own fears as parents, because of our love for our child, we overprotect them. So it is out of these challenges, these expeditions, that they learn. So don't overprotect your child. The second mistake that we make as parents is that we have so many inconsistent boundaries at home. Even in worst case scenario, some homes don't even have clear limits or boundaries. So the child is always confused. So your child, you say yes to your child today for something, the next day on that same thing, you say no. So your child feels unsafe. Children need very predictable and consistent boundaries at home. So they will grow feeling safe and secure. So if you are a parent, make sure your limits and boundaries are predictable and they are consistent. The third mistake that we make as parents unconsciously is that we tend not to listen to our children when they talk to us. After all, we are the bosses, we are the parents. So why should I listen to you? Even though that might seem not to be a big issue, children feel unimportant. They feel that they are not being seen. They feel valueless. So as a parent, you ought to listen to their opinions, their expressions. This way, you can help build their self-esteem. The fourth mistake that we make as parents unconsciously is that we tend to praise only results, achievement. So your child achieves something, that is when you praise your child. That is often a very common mistake that we do as parents. How about the effort? How about giving them praises for being resilient? How about praising them for trying? So you should not only praise results, praise the effort, praise the willingness to try, and praise the ability to be consistent and stay in what they are doing. If we only praise results, your children will feel that their only success must be connected to achievement. And that is a very big mistake. The fifth and final mistake, common mistakes that we make as parents is comparing your child to others. Why don't you behave like your sister? Look at the neighbor's child. He behaves very well. You must also behave in that manner. Come on, you are a teenager. So you should know, we tend to speak like this out of frustration. But what this does is killing your child's self-confidence and self-esteem. Rather, praise your child on his strength, what he's able to achieve, the qualities that he has. Point them out and rather talk about them instead of comparing your child with other children or with their siblings. Thank you for watching and hope you have learned something new from this video. Kindly like, subscribe to my channel for more parenting tips. See you in the next video. Bye.